nature takes center stage, it delivers performances that are nothing short of spectacular. In today's video, we'll take you through some of the most mind-blowing moments ever recorded. Behold the sight of Gracia Rock seemingly melting away in an extraordinary natural event. Experience the heart-stopping escape of hikers as a landslide inches closer, a terrifying reminder of nature's unpredictability. Watch this dramatic moment as a landslide destroy this power line.
替太阳宫。来了来了，替太阳宫。
着了哦。起码他们都跑到这来了，你看到没有啊？去了。现在这种办公水配了。
It's coming for the shore. Let's see.
Ever seen a water spout up close? Watch as this dramatic funnel forms off the coast, spinning with mesmerizing force. These rare phenomena are beautiful but can be dangerous.
Oh my God!
Relive the tragic 2018 tsunami that devastated Palu in Indonesia, a moment etched in history. It's a powerful reminder of how quickly life can change in the face of disaster. Behold the surreal sight of pavements seemingly breathing during an earthquake in Japan. This eerie phenomenon highlights the raw power of tectonic forces beneath us. See the dramatic moment a flood sweeps away a bridge, collapsing it in an instant. Floods like this show why infrastructure must be built to withstand extreme conditions. Step into the chaos of a massive landslide in China, blocking roads and disrupting lives. Stay aware of landslide risks in heavy rains and avoid unstable areas. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss another moment of nature's wonders. See you in the next one.